Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I'm doing a little cash planning for the week. I have $6.53 that I plan on stuffing in my envelopes. So I'm just gonna go over how much I'm gonna put in everything, kind of plan it out, figure out the denomination, so that way when I go to the bank, I know how much I need to ask for when I go there. So I already have my wallet figured out. I'm just gonna go with my usual amounts this week in my wallet. And I'm actually gonna have a lot of leftover money because I didn't really spend too much this week. So in spending, I'm gonna do 30. Groceries is gonna get 30. And this money will probably end up in Costco because I didn't really do a lot of grocery shopping this week because I still had leftovers that I was kind of eating from the holidays, so I didn't have to buy too much. Eating out, I'm doing 30, and eating out coffee, I'm gonna do 20. I might roll this over too because I feel like I'm gonna need extra coffee this week, so I might roll this over and keep it in there. And then buffer is gonna get 10. I already spent all the buffer money. So that's my wallet for the week. And then I'm gonna go into my binders now. Actually, I'm gonna go into my savings binder first and figure out some of these challenges. But my wallet totaled 170, so I'm just gonna subtract 170 from here, and then I know that way I can figure out the rest of what I plan on taking or putting in each envelope. So in here, since I already figured out this challenge last week, I rolled 17, so I'm just gonna write that here, roll the dice, and that's gonna get $17. So I'm gonna subtract 17. And then I just go down the line on this 52-week challenge, which I'm almost done with, which is exciting because this is a 630 for this whole thing. I'm gonna just do the 5 this week. Sometimes I combine 5 and 10, but this week I'm just gonna do 5. So this is the 52-week challenge. And this one's going to be $5. Those are the ones I know for sure I'm gonna put like the amounts in. So I'll come back to this one, but I'm just gonna go I'm gonna go a little bit out of order from what I have here and go in here into this is like the long-term sinking funds. And I think I like to prioritize extra debt and also treat yourself. And this week, let's see how much I have in treat yourself, $19.11. Extra debt, I already took the money out of here that I saved in November, and I took that to the bank. So that way I could make an extra debt payment to my last credit card. So that's why I have nothing in here, but I'm starting over in December. I'm gonna save, make another big payment, and hopefully knock that last credit card out by like next year, and then I won't have any more debt, which is super exciting. Yeah, I can't wait for that. And so because I like to prioritize these, I'm going to put, let's see, this week I think I'm just going to I'm gonna start this off with 45 this week. So that'll be the highest number that I put in any of my envelopes for the week. That's usually how I do it. I like to, this one and my treat yourself one, I like to put the most into it. So I also like to do whatever I do in extra debt, I do exactly that and treat yourself, because this one I'm paying myself back. I took money out of my savings, so that's a priority to get that money back into my savings. So this one's gonna get 45 as well. It's minus 45. So I'm left with 371. And I'm actually just gonna continue in this binder and just finish this binder off. So auto, I have 210. I'm just gonna put 15 this week for auto. Electronics, F360. I'm just going to do 15 as well. Emergency has, oh, I was supposed to take this back to the bank too. This already has 500, so I'm supposed to put a placeholder in here, which I completely forgot, but I'll do that in another video. I'll take this money back to the bank and put a placeholder, and this is my emergency. I'm halfway to my goal of 1,000, so that's really good. But I think this week I'm just gonna put 30 in here, so 30 in emergency. Okay, we did extra debt. Furniture, 148. I just spent from this, and I actually want to buy something soon with this, so I think I'm just put this week $20. I think I have enough to buy what I want to buy, but I just need to figure out what I want. Treat yourself is done, and then this last one is rainy day. So this one I have 185. I'm gonna do 35 in this one. This one I use for, I'm trying to get like a few days of pay from my full-time job for this, because there's days where sometimes I just take a day off and I don't use PTO, so that I don't get paid for that day. But I figured on those days I could use this money, or maybe do like a half payday or something like that, but at least something to kind of balance out like me taking a day off and then not getting paid for it. It's been fine, like not getting paid for a day or so, since I have all these extra income streams. But it'd be nice to, like, you know, have my full check each month, like I do, like I would if I worked. I usually take one day off a month to work on social media stuff. So this is kind of like my little payday to myself to account for that, is what I'm trying to say, because I don't want to use my PTO. All right, so that's 35 in there. Okay, so that one is all good. So now I'm going to go into this binder right here. Oh, and you know what binder I forgot to write in? I just realized it right now. I forgot to write Christmas, because I went through all my normal binders. Like usually what I prep, when I prep before this video, I'll write down all the categories on this sheet right here, so that way I don't miss anything. And I totally forgot that I have a new Christmas binder and I have a Christmas envelope in here. So I'm just actually gonna write Christmas here so I don't forget to do that. Okay, so I have beauty. Oh no, I broke my little charm, so I'll have to fix that. But beauty is going to get, how much do I have in beauty? I have $11. Oh yeah, I spent a bunch from this week, and honestly I really don't need too much in here, but I think I might. Okay, in beauty, I'm just gonna do, I think I'm just going to do, sorry, I'm trying to decide what I want to do, and I don't know what I want to do. I think I'll just do 10 in beauty. Costco is going to get, you know what? I'm going to put a bunch of money into Costco. So I'm not going to put anything into Costco. We're not going to do anything for Costco this week, because all that grocery money that I have left over that I don't plan on spending is just going to go in here anyway. So it's going to get pretty full from that. So I have $11. Okay, so that works. Clothing is going to get, I have nothing in clothing. I'm going to put 25. And I actually bought something off of Amazon, but I don't like it, so I'm going to return it. So I'll end up putting that money back in here. But Yeah, I'll have at least 25 before I do that return. Content is going to get 10. Disney, I'm actually going to Disney this weekend, so that's going to get 20. Family, spending time with my family too, so that's going to get 20. Fun, I just spent from fun. I went out to eat with some friends actually a few hours ago. So I spent from here, and I'm going to put 15. Gifts, not a huge priority on gifts because I have my Christmas binder, and that's like where the gifts are all coming from. So I'm just going to put 5. Holiday decor has nothing, so I'm going to put 20. I think I'm like probably good on holiday decor, like buying stuff, but I don't know, there's a couple things I might pick up if anything like kind of catches my eye. Home decor, I'm just gonna do 10. Household, I'll do 15. Planner stuff, not a huge priority. Actually, it kind of is. The Happy Planner does have a release, and I might purchase some things from there, but I think I have enough. So I'm gonna do 5. I actually forgot about that. That they were having a release. Target is going to get 10. All right, so that is it for this binder. And I'm just gonna go into this one right here. I don't have a tracker in here yet. I need to put a tracker in here. But I have, if you're not familiar with this, I made my own like Christmas binder. And I have like everybody that I plan on purchasing, all the money that I plan on spending for them, which I need to get on that, start buying some gifts. But I also have my Christmas, like the money that I don't have for each person. I just have like it collecting here. I don't remember how much I have in here because I don't have a tracker, but I think I'm just gonna put 20. Yeah, I'll put 20 in here. Okay. And then I'm gonna go back into savings. And I have Go Wild. Go Wild, actually, okay, I have $14.60 in Go Wild. If I do 40, I'll have $1,500, and then I'll have enough to color a llama and also to put a placeholder in here. So I think I want to do that. I'm going to put 40 in here. It's actually coming up pretty quick, Go Wild. So that's exciting. Okay, so that is Go Wild. Oh wait, sorry. One more thing in here. I have my 100 envelope challenge. So I'm not gonna do like a large amount. I have what, $31 left. So I don't have much left to do anything like any of these higher ones. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go kind of low and just do 25. I still have an $8 one, but I'll save that for when I really don't have a lot. And I'm just gonna knock out this 25. So 100 envelope, 25. Okay. And then I'm left with $6 for savings. And then that'll zero me out. There. Okay. Yeah, that works. So now I'm going to figure out the denominations that I plan on getting from the bank. So beauty is just 10, so that one's going to be a $10 bill. Clothing is 25, so 20 and a 5. Content is just a 10. Disney is 20. Family is 20. Did I already mess up? I already messed up. I knew I was going to do that. Okay. That 0 threw me off. So let me redo this. Okay, this line is no, not this line. Okay, usually I don't, if I don't put anything in here, I don't put it in here because it always throws me off. But I didn't think I wasn't going to put money in there, so it is what it is. 25 for clothing. So that one is going to be 20 and a 5. Content is $10. Disney is 20. Family is 20. Fun is 15. 10 and a 5. Gifts is a 5. Holiday decor is 20. Home decor is 10. Household 10 and a 5. Planner stuff 5. Target 10. Auto repair 10 and a 5. Electronics 10 and a 5. Emergency is 30. Extra debt is 45. So 20, 40, and 5. Furniture is 20. Okay, and then another 45, 40 and 5. Yeah, 40 and 5. Rainy day is 35. 20, 35. Go wild is 2 20s. Roll the dice is 17, so that's 10, 15, 16, 17. 52 week is $5. 5. Christmas is 20. I feel like I'm going so slow with this. 25, 400 envelope, and then savings is 6. So I'm just gonna do 6 ones. I think that should be good. Now I'm going to just count up all the little tallies, and I'm hoping you can see. Oh yeah, you can see. Okay, perfect. Just wanted to make sure I'm in frame. But I'm gonna count up all the tallies and total everything down here, and then make sure everything like checks out. So 50, I have 1. 20s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20s. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5s. And then 1s, I have 6, 11, 12, 13. 6, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. All right, so let me total up these in the amounts. 20 times 18 is 360. We have 160. 14 times 5 is 70. And then 13. So 50 plus 360, 160, 70, and 13 is 653. Perfect. So when I go to the bank, I'm going to ask for 150, 18 20s, 16 10s, 14 5s, and 13 1s. And I plan on having this cash stuffing of what I just figured out here on Sunday in the morning. So definitely make sure to check that video out. If you're not already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.